Hard time getting results with your affiliate marketing venture? Try these ideas. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make some extra money from home. In fact, successful sites can bring in huge profits simply through driving traffic towards affiliate ads. If you are interested, then you should follow these simple tips in this video to help you build a successful affiliate site. Focus on benefits in your sales copy. Don't just list the features of your product, tell people what they will actually get from your product. Will they get peace of mind? Will they make money? Don't merely sell the features, sell the real benefits of what your product can do for them. Affiliate marketing opens the door for many people who are looking to start a home-based business. As long as you have the technical know-how, this is an ideal opportunity to make a living or supplement your income, depending on how much time you want to invest in the undertaking. Setting up a website promoting the products you are trying to sell is the first step, but don't stop there. Take advantage of email, blog forums, social networking sites and chat rooms to reach as wide an audience as possible. Write videos about the products, and post them on your own website to increase your traffic. Join one or many affiliate programs. One of the benefits from working at home is that it gives you the flexibility to choose your own hours. With some dedication and commitment, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative way to turn that spare room into an office. If you want to make the highest payout with your affiliate marketing programs, you need to focus on content that captures the reader's attention and makes them see you as an expert with solutions. They will not just blindly click on advertising, but are more likely to click through if you are seen as an authority on the subject. Affiliate marketing services are there to help you get all the links you want in one place. The benefit is that you have access to many links at once with little legwork. The downside is that you lose a bit of profit, as the middleman has to get his share too. As mentioned earlier in this video, affiliate marketing is a great way to earn money, and can become a very important source of income. However, you need to put in the effort to create quality content in order to be successful, and to make sure your site is attractive to your readers. Although you need to put in hard work, if successful, the reward will definitely be worthwhile. Do you want to know how to leverage the power of a sales funnel to generate $100,000 in a month? I have great news for you. Today and today only, you can access 1. A free full course on the secrets of a sale funnel. 2. A free book on how to generate traffic for your offer. 3. Start to use my software for free to create your own affiliate program. Click the link below to start.